How to fix if screenshots not working issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the power button, and from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone it will fix small software glitches like screenshot issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue while taking a screenshot, then open settings, scroll down to the end and click on software, system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now here check if your phone's software is up to date or not. So if it's not updated to the latest version, then update the software, and after updating the software the screenshot issue will be fixed. But after this, if you are still facing the issue while taking a screenshot, then enable a alternative way to take screenshot. So for that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility features. Now here in accessibility features, tap on shortcuts and gestures, and then in shortcuts and gestures tap on screenshot or global favorites. Now here you will see a knuckle screenshot button, so tap on this button to turn it on, and after turning on this button you can knock twice on your screen to take screenshot. So you can see it took a screenshot. So that's how you can fix the screenshot not working issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.